How to fix system UI isn't responding error on any Android phone. So if you want to fix the system UI isn't responding in any Android phone, then first you need to open up your settings. From your settings, you need to scroll down, go with apps. Under apps, go with see all apps. Here you can go with search, go with the top right first, which has that three dots, and then go with show system apps. Now you need to search for system UI. After searching for system UI, you need to tap on that application or that file and go with storage and cache. And here you need to clear the cache. After clearing a cache of your system storage, your problem may be fixed. You need to go back and you need to search for another application, which is Google Play Services. Tap on Google Play Services, and from here also you need to go with storage and cache and go with clear cache. So that's how you can fix your system UI isn't responding error on any Android phone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.